Welcome to Ivory Coast, you lot. Get ready to ditch that soggy toast and dodgy takeaway because we're about to explore the culinary gems of this incredible country. We're talking top-notch grub, vibrant flavors, and restaurants that'll make your taste buds sing. Over the next 40 stops, we're diving into the heart of Ivory Coast's food scene. Whether you're a local or a first-time visitor, I guarantee you'll find your new favorite dining destination right here. So buckle up, get ready to take some notes, and let's get this culinary adventure on the bloody road. Chez Ambroise, you'll be blown away by the flavor. Fresh off the boat, this seafood is cooked to perfection. This is how you do traditional Ivorian cuisine, right? Chapter 4, La Taverne Romaine, fine dining done right. This isn't just food, it's a culinary masterpiece. Chapter 5, Le Wafu, views and vibes, stunning views and even better food, what more could you want? Chapter 6, Narima, family fun for everyone, bring the whole family, there's something for everyone here. Chapter 7, this isn't just street food, it's a flavor explosion. Chapter 8, vegetarians rejoice, this one's for you. Chapter 9, live music and delicious food, the perfect combination. Prepare for a sugar rush, these desserts are divine. This place is like nothing you've ever seen before. The service here is as good as the food, top-notch. This chef's a genius, trust me on this one. These cocktails are dangerously delicious, cheers. This is where you bring your date to impress, trust me. Start your day right with the best brunch in town. Can't decide what to eat? This menu has it all. This is what I call a proper cup of coffee, brilliant. Chapter 19, wine lovers, this is your new haven, cheers to that. Chapter 20, warm, inviting, and delicious, what more could you ask for? Chapter 21, fresh air, good food, it's a recipe for a perfect evening. Start your day the right way with a breakfast feast. Get ready for a flavor explosion, fusion done right. Forget those sad desk lunches, this is how you do lunch. These pastries are so good, they're practically illegal. Finally, a kid's menu that isn't a culinary nightmare. Happy hour just got a whole lot happier, cheers to that. Chapter 28, fresh, local, and delicious, it doesn't get better than this. Chapter 29, get ready for a dining experience you won't forget. Chapter 30, these appetizers are so good you'll want to order them all. Good food, good vibes, what more could you want? Loosen your belts, it's time for a buffet feast. Enjoy your meal with a side of breathtaking views. This is seafood heaven, fresh, flavorful, and fantastic. For the carnivores out there, this one's for you. Who said vegetarian food had to be boring? Not here. Save room for dessert, you won't regret it. This breakfast will set you up for the day, guaranteed. Escape the hustle and bustle and enjoy a leisurely lunch. Experience the real deal, you won't be disappointed. So there you have it, you lot. 40 restaurants that are sure to tantalize your taste buds and leave you wanting more. From street food stalls to fine dining establishments, Ivory Coast's culinary scene has something for everyone. Now get out there, explore, and let me know in the comments which of these culinary gems you'll be trying first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow food lovers.